This is a short video to explain how Rolling Video Games is able to sell a video game trailer for only $16,400. We're going to go over how and how we build them and how you can get involved in creating the build, and also how we're able to do a lease to own program by only putting down $4,000. We're going to cover all this in just a short time. Rolling Video Games, as you know, has been around since 2009. We've got video game trailers all around the country. They're very successful. Typically, people do between 30 to 50 parties a month with their trailer, charging $400 to $500 a month. Kind of gives you an idea, and you don't have to really put a lot into it. Once you own the trailer, it's just basically a fun money machine. And that's what we do. It's fun to be in this business. And now we're able to create what we call the core video game trailer, which is pretty much the trailer almost built, but involving you in the last final decisions. A lot of our customers like to be involved in those last decisions. They ask questions like, "Well, can I customize this and can I do that or can I do this part myself?" And over the years we were not able to accommodate that, but now we can. Let me explain. Follow along with me. Go to our website, rollingvideogames.com, and once you're there, just find the button that says Design Your Video Game Trailer, and you can see exactly what I'm doing here. Once you do that, you'll see this. We start off with this core video game trailer, which is pretty much done. It's a brand new trailer. It's roadworthy. It's titled. It's ready to go. It has all the trims and the finishings and the electrical package and the breaker box and the double axle. It's got the awning package there on the side. You know what the awning package is, so you can put the two TVs on the outside and just close it weather tight. It has the air conditioning and heat. It's got the nice plush carpet on the walls. It's got the ramp in the back. It's ready to go. We just have a few more decisions to make to finish it out. And it's really great for you folks that like to make your own decisions on certain things or do-it-yourselfers. The trailer, when it's fully loaded and ready to go to parties, only weighs 4,000 pounds. That's significant for people trying to save money because that saves your gas. 4,000 pounds is nothing for the weight of a trailer. Always find out how much a trailer weighs because that is a significant part of your business. Now, with this core trailer, you can see that's the base price. Now, there's a bunch of things that we put with it. This is not just a trailer, guys. This is a mobile video game trailer business. So what we include with that is your own booking scheduling calendar system that you can use. There's no charge for it. Uh, that's so that people can book parties online and schedule them, and you can put them on your calendar and you can keep up with them, and people can pay with their credit cards, and all that money goes directly to you. It doesn't go through us. We are not a franchise. So 100% of the money goes to you. And this whole system that we include is a turnkey operation to help you run the whole business. And that's part of our package at Rolling Video Games. It's built into our whole network. Already in almost every state of the country so that people can easily say, "Hey, I want a video game party." And they find us, they find you, and they're able to book a party. Also included with it is a GameStop card, two embroidered uniforms, media kit with graphics, technical assistance, and there's even a Rolling Video Games owners forum that a lot of the owners around the country join. It's a private group that give each other advice and tips and help and support. And so you've got sort of a community of other owners that own these trailers. We have some people that own more than one trailer that just do very well with parties, all around the country. And this also reminds you that the pop-up awning is included. Now we've got some things that you can add in or do yourself. What do I mean by that? Well, by default, we put this indoor-outdoor carpet. I like the carpet in there because it sort of dampens the sound of all the noise and makes it feel like a luxurious theater. But, some people don't like the carpet. Some people would rather do their own thing. By default, it's going to have a wood finished floor. And if you want it that way, you could put your own carpet in, or you could put your own rubber in. If you prefer a rubber floor, you could put in your own checkered tile or linoleum or whatever you want. But if you want us just to do the carpet, just check this off and you're good to go. All you have to do is check that off and you know it's going to be put in there. Same thing with the limo seats. We have been doing these plush limo seats for years. People really like them. It's nice. But maybe you don't want that. Maybe you want to save some money and we don't put the seats in and you'd rather just put your own couches in there. I mean, it looks kind of cool if you put the couches in there. It looks like a little living room, or put your own bean bags, whatever you want. It's your trailer. But if you just don't want to bother with that and you want us to put the limo seats in, just check that off. Same thing with the floating console shelves. If you don't want to bother with it, you don't want to put shelves up, just check that off. We'll put the shelves up. If you want to put a 3D sign in there, check that off. If you want us to put the six 55-inch 4K LED smart TVs. This is 6 TVs now. This is 4 TVs on the inside, 2 TVs on the outside where the awning is. Uh, You've got 9 outlets, by the way, already in your core trailer. So remember that. There's outlets all over the trailer and also outside at the awning. So if you do choose to put your own TVs up, fine, just put them up yourself. If you'd rather do it yourself and mount your TVs and put them in there, you don't have to do any wiring with any of this stuff, guys. You just put the TVs up and plug them in. You're ready to go. But if you don't want to bother with that, let us do it. Check that off. We'll do the TVs. You get a game console package, which is the best choices, honestly, for group gaming. This isn't a one player gaming situation. Remember, you're taking this to parties, lots of kids, people, teenagers, adults who are gaming together. So these are the best consoles for that, and you can play the best games for that. In fact, the new Nintendo Switches are so easily expandable. All you have to do is throw a couple extra controllers, and you've got a lot more players added. So we start you off with this console package. That's enough to go to parties, get you going. But if you don't want us to put the consoles in, you can do it yourself. Just check that off if you want it. Security camera. Do you want a security camera on the inside? You can watch the kids. You can have your customers watch their own kids for some extra security. That's fine. Now, this is our iconic graphic wrap. You've seen this everywhere. This has got our gaming characters that seem like they're 10 feet tall and they're beautiful colors all over it. And go to our website, guys, and make sure you're looking at all the photos and the videos so you can look at it from all angles. In fact, before I forget to remember this, if you want a live walkthrough with one of our technicians in the factory, we will do that. If you're saying, hey, I've seen all the photos and videos and everything, but I just want someone to walk me through a trailer live, let us know. We'll do that with you. We'll have a technician get you on FaceTime or Google Meet or something and just walk through the whole factory for you. But anyway, the graphic wrap. If you want us to do that, check it off. If you'd rather do your own thing, maybe you want to do your own graphics just partially on the outside, save some money. See, you notice where I'm going with this. You notice what I'm doing here is we're trying to make it so if you want to save money and do some of this on your own, you can. You see, that's the whole theme of this whole core video system is that all these things I'm talking about and checking off, you can easily do on your own or just have us do it. Graphic wrap, we're happy to do it. It looks amazing. I recommend it, of course, but you've got that option. Same thing with the track lighting. Same thing with the lighting package. That's the LEDs underneath. I do recommend the power jack. That's the little jack in the front. You hold the button and it goes woo, and it lifts the trailer up. So you can put it on your truck. Very easy. No manual labor. Otherwise, you're going to have that winding bar. This second AC and heat is only necessary, I think, if you're in a very hot climate. Florida, Texas, South Texas, these customers have said, hey, can we put another AC unit in there? Sure, we can do it, but I wouldn't check that off unless you really think it's necessary. Now, the generator is nice. We like this Westinghouse at 9500, but maybe you already have a generator. You know, you don't want to have to buy another generator. Just put it in the back of your truck, plug it into the front of the trailer into our shore power. It's all set up for that. Just by putting the generator in the back of your truck and plugging it in, you're ready to go. You might already have a generator. We recommend something more than 5500 watt that's inverter. But if you don't want to bother with that, you don't want to take any chances, just use our generator. It's brand new and we'll just set it up for you. Now, here's the fun part. At the end, you get to decide what kind of plan. We have basically made a plan for every type of situation and personality. You've got a 3-year financing plan, a 4-year plan, and a 5-year plan. These we've been doing for years. I think most common is the 3-year plan. It shows you how much it is a month. It shows you what your down payment is. Maybe you want to save a little money and put half down and go a little bit lower on the interest. Check that one off. That kind of person is set to go. Maybe you already have all the money. Maybe you don't want to finance with us and you want to save $500 or you want to get your own loan at your own bank. Check that off. That's definitely going to save you money for sure. Now we have this power lease. Now the power lease is for a certain kind of situation where you know this is going to work. You know you want to have a video game trailer business, but you don't really have the down payment, but you know it's going to be amazing. You would rather lease it. Why would you rather lease it? Because you can put a much lower down payment, pay $2,000 a month, and if you feel like it's not going to work, just walk away. Just turn the trailer back over to us with everything fine inside and just walk away with no more obligation. This is for that kind of situation where you'd rather lease to own. After you've made 36 payments, it's yours. And if you want to go that route, check off the power lease. Put your name, your email, hit save this quote, and it will be emailed to you. If you want to do it again over and over, that's fine. But this gets you going and gets you in the video game trailer business. And thank you for watching.